A very good morning, students. Today I will discuss about how to plot climatology in Python. I hope you have already completed the previous assignments, small assignments that I gave you. And so first there are three parameters for which we have to compute the climatology: precipitation, surface temperature, and sea surface temperature. So these are the three parameters for which we are going to calculate the annual climatology, monthly climatology, and seasonal climatology. Then also we will try to plot, we will see that how we can make area average so that we can create a global temperature anomaly plot. Similarly, we will see that how we can select some area, and also for that area how we can compute the temperature anomaly or precipitation anomaly. So first of all, I will show you that which data you have to download. So for precipitation, here we are going to use the GPCP precipitation data. In the Google box you can write GPCP precipitation data, click on the second one or the first one. If you click on the first option, you will see the page that open. It contains three data from which you have to collect you have to download the last one. If you click on the link on the download file, you will go through the website where you get the list of file. From here you have to download this monthly main file. Okay, so I have already downloaded this file, so I didn't do that. I just paused that one. My file I have already downloaded, and I have saved my file in a particular folder named Python for same 2024. So here is my file. Similarly, you can also download the temperature, surface temperature. So for that you can download, currently I am going to nzip ncar reanalysis. nzip ncar reanalysis. You can use, I will show you some reanalysis data. nzip reanalysis data, it basically contain a long-term data. It includes data from 1948 to present, that is current month, and it's available on three temporal coverage, 4 times daily or monthly, but here for our analysis we will only consider the monthly one. And you can see the spatial coverage is 2.5 into 2.5, which actually depicts that the spatial degrees at around 250 kilometer. So it's quite coarse resolution. You can also check the resolution of the previous one, GPCP data, and it is always suggested or advised that whatever data you are using, go through the specifications, like what is the temporal coverage, what is the spatial coverage, and what is the data availability especially. And if you want to go to the more detail about the data, you can go to the description. Since it is a reanalysis, it's basically combine different observations and numerical model product. You can use, you can see how you can cite if you're going to use this data for any research article, you can cite. That means you need to refer that paper, you need to refer that data using following citation. This is the paper detail, and other sources. Like you can also go through that article to get the more detail. These are some variables that is available under this reanalysis. Okay, we are more focused on the air temperature. Apart from air temperature, there are n number of parameter that is available, specifically the basic meteorological parameters. So here I'm going to collect the temperature, not the anomaly one. Okay, so here what we observe, this is the temperature anomaly. so I think this is their temperature, individual observation, Delhi. Okay, anyway, if you don't able to find, just click on the download link. Okay, I think this is the monthly file you will get, but I think this is for daily. Okay, so probably I didn't, this is the, since I need to go to the monthly one directly, it's better to move for monthly one, so I write monthly reanalysis. So now okay, if I can click it, okay, let me see the data. Okay, there are different things, so I need to focus on the monthly one. Time scale $4 daily, so we are going to, otherwise we can do that way. So initially we will have the monthly one. So monthly pressure level, we are not interested in pressure level, we are more interested in, okay, sigma level. Okay, anyway, I think there are a little bit problem in selection because time scale or any monthly anyway. So here, okay, if you want to go for surface level, okay, this is the thing we need actually, 2 meter air temperature mean monthly, this particular parameter we need. So here I'm clicking on it. So this is the thing actually you need to download, this one. Okay, so I'm clicking on it, you can see here my data is downloading. So yeah, I have downloaded the air temperature. So currently I'm focusing on precipitation and temperature, and then we will see, the first we will check with the precipitation and temperature, because once you understand the basic mechanism, you can easily work with the other data. After downloading, you have to save this file into the same folder. So here it will take some time to download the data, and after downloading, make sure that you have to create a separate folder for your data, and you have to maintain that folder, because this is the final assignments you have to submit in your final exam. Okay, so yeah, the data has already downloaded. Now I just collect it from my, because the file that is downloaded, that is directly goes to the download folder. Now I am replacing this in my own folder. This is my folder that I have created, and now I'm pasting it. So this is important to store all the data in your work folder properly. So now in the next video I will start working on the analysis part.